The title of my speech, The Rule of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal and Foundation of Pakistan. We cannot deny that the history of India is filled with qualities and hardship for the Muslim. We know that Hindus were larger in numbers. They always try to comment any difficulties against the Muslim of India. They try to destroy the economy, the business, the trade, the education, even their belief also. Respected audience, it is sad when such circumstances I created Allah Almighty grants personalities like Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. These are the personalities who mold the nation, who build the nation, who handle the clans of the nation by their hands and by having strong belief on. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Respected audience, and the action are deed in this material. District words start with thinking, and first thinking idea comes in our mind. Then that thinking idea converts into wish, and when we convert our wish into determination, Allah Almighty grants us spiritual, physical and mental power to fulfill our wish and the approach of our life. निगाह बुलंद सुखन दिल नवाज जा पुरसोज, निगाह बुलंद सुखन दिल नवाज जा पुरसोज, यही रहते हैं सफर मेरे कारवां के लिए. Respected audience, some people say that Allama Iqbal is the poet of East. Some say he is the poet of Muslim, but in my point of view, he is such a greatest poet who must be called poet of humanity. At the end of my speech, I want to say that there are two main sources of Allama Iqbal's dignity, gainers, the height of word. In his poetry, Allama Iqbal, number one is the Holy Quran, number two is his deep love for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. In some verses of his poetry, Allama Iqbal says, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर, तुम ख्वार हुए तारे के कुरान होकर. He also says कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या लोग कलम तेरे हैं. Bundle of thanks everyone.